Hello everyone, in this video we are going to present an intelligent doorbell design using federated deep learning. The objective of this project is to develop a smart doorbell that addresses the challenges of latency sensitive applications, high subscription cost, high bandwidth and most importantly privacy issues related to the user. The existing technologies are based on centralized server approach where all the processing and decisions are made on the cloud. The problems faced by this approach are: first, they are not suitable for latency sensitive devices. Second, they require high bandwidth for video and image transfer, which also increases the cost. And third, they raise privacy concerns by sharing users' biometric data. In the proposed approach, we have implemented an intelligent framework based on federated learning, which can deploy and manage video analytics applications such as smart doorbell across edge and cloud resources. Federated learning works on model aggregation rather than data aggregation principle. Building a model using federated learning fits the problem naturally for video analytics application. It solves two problems. First, it trains the model locally and then uploads the model parameters to a centralized server for aggregation. Thus, it prevents data leakage as sensitive data does not leave the smart doorbell device. Second, it reduces communication cost as device uploads the trained model parameters to the centralized server instead of the images. The data flow of our approach goes as follows. A real-time video stream is captured by a camera and pre-processed at the federated client. It implements the video analytics logic to identify objects and training module to train a local model to be sent to the federated server. The federated server receives local models from each smart doorbell device and generates a global aggregated model. It distributes the aggregated global model back to the federated clients. The federated clients use this aggregated model to detect objects. The video analytics results are then sent to the cloud layer for storage. The key components of our proposed approach are federated client, federated learning, federated server, and serverless architecture. We will talk about each component in the following slides. First, the federated client does device registration and authentication to allow users to interact with the device anywhere and anytime in a secure manner. Federated client also uses frame sampling and video preprocessing to remove redundant and uninteresting parts of the video streams. Next, the federated learning component runs the federated learning module to train the object detection models locally, which are sent to the federated server for aggregation. And the object detection module then uses an aggregated model from the federated server to detect objects. The current version implements four models that are animal detection, unsafe content detection, noteworthy vehicle detection such as fire truck and courier vans, and face detection. For object detection, we adopt on-device DL approach which employs various model reduction techniques to enable its deployment on IoT devices. The current implementation uses MobileNet model which is designed for resource-constrained devices such as mobile phones and embedded devices. The federated learning component is also responsible for image annotations to label locally stored images. These annotated images are then used to build local models. The federated server at cloud receives model updates learned at client. It performs model aggregation on them to produce a global aggregated model and distributes back it in the federation to be used for inference in object detection operations. The model aggregation algorithm leverages horizontal federated learning, which helps multiple devices with data from the same feature space to train a global aggregated object detection model. We have implemented the federated server using Flask framework and hosted it on Amazon EC2. We containerized the Flask app with NGINX and GUnicorn as Flask app is a single threaded server and gUnicorn can be used to handle multiple requests simultaneously. And lastly, we use the cloud for storing object detection results and video data to access them remotely as and when required. We implement the storage services using Amazon DynamoDB database services and Amazon S3 data storage services. We have implemented real-time push notification that sends a real-time alert notification to the user when a motion is detected in the proximity of the doorbell. We have also implemented a conversational user interface using Amazon Alexa services that allows the user to interact with the smart environment that they are in. The Alexa skills can be triggered by various commands, such as Alexa, tell me what is happening at the door. Alexa, send me a snapshot of all the activities at my door today. Thus, to conclude, through this proposed approach, we demonstrate an intelligent smart doorbell design using federated learning across edge and cloud resources. The proposed approach reduces communication cost as it uploads model parameters to the centralized server rather than images. The proposed approach provides with a sense of preserving privacy, as the user's biometric data are not shared over the network. We understand that model aggregation rather than data aggregation is not enough to address the user's privacy concerns fully. Thus, as a part of our future work, we plan to extend the existing prototype on homomorphic encryption where computing is done on encrypted image data. Secure multi-party computation that enables multiple parties to collaboratively compute and agreed upon computation without leaking information from participants. Thank you.